Let me tell you something uncomfortable. People don't treat you badly because they're rude. They treat you badly because you trained them to. I learned this the hard way. For years, I thought respect was something you earn by being nice, quiet, available. I was wrong. Respect isn't requested, it's revealed. The moment you change one behavior, do it once, and people will never look at you the same again. Here's the mistake that keeps you invisible. You're too predictable. Humans don't see people. They see patterns, and once they think they've figured you out, your value drops. You become safe, convenient, easy to ignore. So the first shift is simple, but uncomfortable. Break the pattern, once. If you're always agreeable, disagree, calmly. If you're always available, say no, without explaining. If you're always quiet, speak, briefly and clearly. You don't need to become loud or aggressive. You just need to become unexpected. When people pause and think, wait, that's not how they usually act, their brain updates your status. Invisible people don't surprise anyone. Respected people do. Second shift. Act like your time has weight. Notice this. People who are respected never rush. They don't jump when their name is called. They don't reply instantly. They don't hover, waiting to be acknowledged. Not because they're arrogant, but because they're grounded. Try this once. When someone calls you, finish what you're doing first. When someone texts, don't treat it like an emergency. When you enter a room, move like you chose to be there. Your time teaches people how to value you. If you treat it like it's cheap, they'll agree. Third shift. And this one is dangerous if you've been insecure your whole life. Stop apologizing for existing. Unnecessary apologies shrink you. They signal guilt where none exists. Instead of, sorry I'm late, to, thanks for waiting. Instead of, sorry to bother you, to, got a minute? Instead of, sorry but I think, to, here's what I think. Say it once. Feel the tension. Watch how people adjust their tone. You didn't become rude, you became solid. Fourth shift. Learn to pause. Silence is power. People who talk too fast are asking for approval. People who pause are deciding whether to give it. Next time you're asked a question, wait 2 seconds. No explaining, no rambling, just presence. That pause says, I'm not afraid of this moment. Final shift. The one that changes everything. Be ready to leave. The person who needs nothing controls the room. The moment you tolerate disrespect, you sign a contract that says, this is acceptable. So don't argue, don't beg, don't prove, just remove access. Walk away from bad treatment once, and people will suddenly become very careful with you. Here's the truth. You don't need to become someone else. You need to stop signaling weakness without realizing it. Do one of these shifts, people will feel it. Do all of them, they'll respect it. And when they start treating you differently, don't be surprised. You finally showed them who you are.